Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you a DIY cream that has helped me achieve clear and glowing skin. It's made with the natural ingredient. Today we are talking about a topic that affect so many of us, acne and pimples. It can be frustrating and even embarrassing, but the good news is that there are ways to manage it. First, let's talk about what causes acne. It's usually a combination of excess oil productions, closed pore, and bacterial hormone changes. So guys, I am going to share with you a DIY cream that has helped me achieve clear and glowing skin. It made with natural ingredient like neem paste, aloe vera, vitamin E oil, and glycerin, olive oil. First off, neem paste is known for its antibacterial properties, which help to fight acne and pimples. Aloe vera has soothing properties that help to reduce inflammations and redness. Vitamin E oil is a powerful antioxidant that help to protect the skin and damage caused by free radicals. Glycerin is a natural skin brightener that helps to even out skin tone. And lastly, olive oil is great moisturizer that help to keep the skin hydrated. To make this DIY cream, start by mixing 2 tablespoons of neem juice with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel in a bowl, and next add 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil and 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Mix everything together until it form a smooth paste. Finally, add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil and mix again. So guys, apply this cream on your face and neck before going to bed and leave it on overnight. In the morning, wash it off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. You will notice that your skin feels soft and hydrated and looks brightened. I have been using this cream for a few weeks now, and my acne and pimples have significance reduced. My skin looks clearer and more radiant than ever before. So if you are struggling with acne or dull skin, give this DIY cream a try. That's it for today video guys. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.